Meet the Levoit Vital 100S-P Smart Air Purifier. Its 3-stage filtration and smart Wi-Fi control remove dust, allergens, smoke, and odors, keeping your indoor air fresh and healthy effortlessly. Let's get into it. What's in the box? In the box, you find the Levoit Vital 100S-P Smart Air Purifier, washable pre-filter or carbon filter, power adapter and user manual. Product overview. Check filter indicator, fan speed indicators, auto mode button, on/off button, Wi-Fi indicator, display lock indicator, timer indicators, light sensor, sleep mode button, fan speed button, air quality indicator, display lock button, timer button, pet mode button. Front cover, washable pre-filter, main/activated carbon filter, airsight infrared dust sensor cover, power adapter input, power adapter. How to pair. Download the VeSync app from the Google Play Store and the Apple Store. Then install it. Make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are enabled on your phone. Connecting your Smart Air Purifier to Wi-Fi is quick and easy. Turn on Bluetooth and make sure your phone isn't connected to another device. Download the VeSync app, log in, or create an account. Then tap the plus icon and select Air Quality Products. Choose your purifier, press and hold the power button for 5 seconds when prompted, and enter your Wi-Fi details to complete the setup. How to use. Place the air purifier on a flat surface. Remove the front cover, then take out the pre-filter and main/activated carbon filter. Unwrap the filter, reinsert both, and replace the front cover, aligning the tabs. Finally, plug in the power adapter. Connect the AC power adapter to the air purifier. Plug it into an outlet. To allow air to circulate freely in and out of the air purifier, maintain 15 inches/38 centimeters of clearance on all sides of the air purifier. Maintenance. Unplug the air purifier and remove the front cover. Take out the pre-filter by pressing its tab, then remove the old main filter. Vacuum any remaining dust, unwrap the new filter, and insert it with the pre-filter. Replace the front cover, plug in the purifier, and turn it on. Hold the sleep mode button for 3 seconds to reset the check filter indicator. Smart features. Perfect for pet owners, this air purifier's wide U-shaped air inlet helps prevent fur clogs, so the filtration system can always do its job efficiently. Pet mode alternates between fan speeds to keep your home fresh and energy efficient. The infrared dust sensor scans surrounding air for pollutants, enabling auto mode to accurately adjust the fan speed and eliminate guesswork for you. The high fan speed rotation and large U-shaped air inlet work together to quickly filter pollutants and release fresh air into your space. Specifications. Safety precautions. Troubleshooting. Want to grab the Levoit Vital 100S-P Smart Air Purifier from Amazon? Just tap the link in the description below. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your Levoit Vital 100S-P Smart Air Purifier. See you in the next one.